Okay, I'll just show you how to put the back seats up and down. So first of all, we'll just make it easy to get in. Button there, oops, button there, put that down, round the side. This will go down, and then there's a little loop here. You pull that, and it goes forward. Put that down too, and then we can take this out, like so. Only so you can see what's going on the camera. I'm moving these seats forward, but that's it, the seats forward. It can be a bit of a stretch, but if you go to the side here and then click that up, pull it back, pull the headrest up, and again here, as I say, it is a bit of a stretch, but the movement is to pull up and push forward. If you just try and pull up, it's not as easy. So headrest up like so, then over here, the little catch, click the catch, seat comes forward, oops, you've got to secure it. Same with this side, just pull forward, seat flips up, like so. And that's it, that's the back seats up. So to put them down, lean in, pull that up with a tab, secure that like so. Let's see. Press the button, put the headrest down, lean in, pull that up. Press the button, put the headrest down. Secure that. Lean forward now, the little catch is in view, and put it down like so. That's it. These aren't the lightest of things, I have to say. So just get that in there. Pull the catch up, secure it in place. I'll put the seats back. I'll put this one back first. This has got the heavy duty load mat as well, covers that all up, and it also stops bits falling down in between the seats. Not put that in very well, to be fair. And then car is a bit dirty, it's only just come in, we've not cleaned it, but it's as easy as that to put the seats up and down. Thanks for watching.